I have 3 children, tapos yun na yung gusto ko, nakagraduate sila, from the time that they graduated, they are on their own. Eventually, they have their own families. Since I am too dependent on them, kasi gawin akong savings, as long na pa-eskwela ko sila, bahala na dun. Okay? So one day, for example, katong sa akong, nga paano, manghod ko sa akong agot ko, pwede ko lang 5,000, bayad na lang kapag i-debit list ko. Sabat sa agot mo, mas itakay. Dito ka lang na yung 5,000, wala tayo i-enrollment, na mas imo nga ako dito ka sa akong, magulat na yung mata. Do you see yourself pasa-pasa? Your children are not your retirement fund. Build your own wealth. Now, that's 75%. 23% continue to work. Imagine, no? Since we don't have savings, again, when you retire, wala nang sweldo. So for example, today is my last day as my retirement. Okay, happy retirement, then you this is senior citizen and all. Okay, and I received a 2 million check, let's say for example, in DPI for the 30 years of service working DPI. Kasi 2 million check. On the next month, I have a 50,000 bill that includes groceries, kuryente, tubig, Spotify, Netflix, groceries, and all. Where will I get that 50,000? Sa 2 million check, right? On the next month, another 50,000 from my monthly bill. I-minus sa 1.95 million ko. On the third month, yung kuryente tumaas na 60,000 pesos sa kukunin sa 1.9 million. Question, until when ang 2 million? Is it 2 years? Is it 3 years? So after 3 years, ubusan yung 2 million mo, saan tayo? Because if you have savings right now, your savings right now will be the extension of your retirement fund. Again, if you don't want to save today, you really have to work for the rest of your life. Only 2% nag-enjoy ng retirement. Imagine, no, if you have lots of money, paborito ka ng lahat ng maangkan mo. Dahil ikan tayo, katulad na tayo puto, tapos yung paborito mong adobo, hindi ba ka mo? Pero kung ikaw, tamo ka pala utang ka, utang naman isa mo. Right? So do you see yourself na may problema yung mga bata, nagdugang ka pa? Now, here, your income stops but your expenses continue. If you fail to prepare right now, you would probably suffer in the future asking others for support that you should be responsible of. Since si mama ko wala na, I have only, papa ko, 72 years old, gawin ka papaya pa, halong, hindi pa pero hindi pa kaon sa mga pundrang po kaon, mga may edad na ito, yung mga parents, wala na sa insurance, they don't believe in insurance, wala na sa insurance. So, napang bullshit, anything will happen to them, sa akong breadwinner, so kumapayat ako. Right? Kaya sa papos, kakaroon, pero nakakambing mo na pa, o 50,000, or blah, ito, boost savings mo. 30 years from now, 50 years from now, we will all be parents. Who will take care of us if tayo naman ang nasa hospital? Will it be you na may insurance ka? Or your grandchildren na may problema sila, nadugang ka? Okay? Now, so that is the point, that is grow and not look for the retirement is because again, your children are not your retirement fund, build your own wealth. Okay? Now, next is find suitable financial solutions. Okay? Because BPI AIA offers Filipinos total health and wealth solutions to lead them live healthier, longer, and better lives.
Love can be said in many ways. Save in a more meaningful way by getting a BPI AIA insurance plan and enjoy the benefits of total health solution. So you can protect their health and save up for their dreams and future. Now that is true love. So you better said, BPI AIA.
That's why here in BPI, we make sure na cater yung mga financial needs nyo. We make sure okay savings nyo, time deposit. We offer you auto loan, housing loan, But what about the protection side? What about the protection side? Because it is not about, it's not about how much money you earn, but how much money you save. That's why, oh, you know what? Ang 5,000, gasto lang yan. Imagine you're paying $5,000 that's not fine. But this gasto will save you 10 years or 20 years from now. Okay? Now, let us review the financial planning steps. First, set goals. As of now, what are my goals? Next, know your current financial status. Yes, in order for you to achieve your goals, you have to assess yourself first. Ano magkano yung monthly income mo ngayon? Third, prioritize your goals. If your goal is to have a good retirement plan, do it. If your goal is to have, a hospitalization and protection, do it. Fourth, find suitable financial solutions because again, every dream has a financial component. Okay? Fifth, implement your financial plan. Words are just words. This will not matter if we will not implement that. Do it now, sometimes later becomes never. Sixth, protect your financial well-being. That feeling na I've been working BPIA for the last 15 years and I have 5 policies. Wala akong anak, but I have my own adopted son. I always brainwash my adopted son. Gabi, please take care of me when I grow old. Kasi hindi naman ako magkaanak, di ba ako mapakasal. Gabi, you've been asking me that every day. Because I really want to brainwash my own adopted son because I don't want to die alone. Please take care of me. Should anything would happen to me, you have 5 million pesos because you are one of my beneficiaries. Pero kung maglabo tayo kasi may in-law na fine, I will get rid of you. I-cross out yung beneficiary because again, I don't want to die old. But I make sure I will not be a burden to you. Kahit may family ka na, even if naka-insure ako, fine, I still have insurance pa. I am insured until age 100. If should anything would happen to me, you have that 5 million pesos. At least I protect myself. That's why some of our clients, walang savings, they put that in insurance because, again, who will help them?